Before buying Jeep Wrangler LED tail lights, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, AUDEXCN C-shaped LED tail lights. First up are the AUDEXCN LED tail lights. Priced at $99.99, these caught my eye with their unique C-shaped design and impressive specs. If you want high performance and a standout look, this is worth a serious look. Here's why these tail lights are a solid choice. They boast a powerful 20W reverse light, which not only enhances visibility but also ensures you're safe when reversing. Plus, they come with an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning they can handle heavy rain and car washes without a hitch. Installation is a breeze too, thanks to their plug-and-play setup. No tools required. With a 4.6-star rating from over 2,400 reviews, people seem to love them. Now, some folks mentioned that the smoked lens might not be to everyone's taste. Here's the thing though, if you're after a clean, modern look, this design really pops on your Wrangler, making it a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want an easy upgrade that looks great and performs well. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional style. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the price or style was a concern for you, the next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, X-Brite 4D Smoked LED Tail Lights. Next up are the X-Brite 4D Smoked LED Tail Lights, retailing for $89.99. What grabbed my attention was the sleek 4D design that promises to enhance both style and performance. If you need something bright and stylish without breaking the bank, this could be your pick. The OSRAM LED chips provide a remarkable lifespan of over 50,000 hours, giving you peace of mind. Plus, with a 4.7-star rating from 2,300 reviews, people are clearly satisfied. This is what you need for improved safety on the road. However, some users reported issues with the fitment on their specific models. Here's the thing. If you have a compatible Jeep, you shouldn't run into problems, but it's something to double-check before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you want great performance and a stylish upgrade. Skip this one if you have a unique model that might not fit well. For the price, you're still getting a high-quality product. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize brightness. Product number 3, LX-Lite 4D LED Tail Lights. The LX-Lite 4D LED tail lights are up next, priced at $84.99. They feature a super bright 30W reverse light, which definitely caught my eye. If you want maximum brightness for your safety, this is worth considering. These lights are designed with a plug-and-play feature, eliminating the hassle of rewiring your Jeep. The advanced LED chips ensure you're getting 3 times the brightness compared to stock tail lights, making night driving much safer. Plus, with a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,300 reviews, they've got a good reputation. On the downside, some users have mentioned that the installation guide could be clearer. Here's the thing, if you're somewhat handy, you'll likely figure it out, but total newbies might need a little extra help. This is perfect for you if you value brightness and ease of installation. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional tail light look. For the price, you're getting fantastic quality and brightness. Now, if LX-Lite's installation concerns bothered you, the next option has an even easier setup. Product number 4, X-Brite Smoked Lens LED Tail Lights. Next, we have the X-Brite Smoked Lens LED Tail Lights for $68.39. When I saw the combination of turn signals and backup lights, I thought this could be a great all-in-one solution for Jeep owners. If you need something economical yet stylish, this could be your answer. These lights are designed for quick response times and high visibility, ensuring you're seen on the road. They promise a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours and are built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Plus, installation is easy, you can do it in about 15 minutes without any drilling. With a 4.6-star rating from 747 reviews, they're clearly a popular choice. However, some buyers have mentioned that the brightness isn't as high as they expected. Here's my take, while they might not be the brightest on the list, they still offer decent visibility for everyday use, especially at this price point. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still offers good performance. Skip this one if you prioritize maximum brightness. For the price, you're getting a reliable product. Now, if you're still looking for that flashy upgrade, the next product might catch your fancy. Product number 5. AUDEXCN Clear Lens LED Tail Lights. Finally, we have another offering from AUDEXCN, these clear lens LED tail lights priced at $99.99. Their unique design and high-power features really make them stand out. If you want a combination of style and functionality, this could be the one. They're designed as direct fit replacements for Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU models, which makes installation a breeze. With the same 4.6-star rating as the previous AUDEXCN model, they're clearly well received. One drawback reported by some users is that the clear lens version might not provide as much visibility compared to the smoked version. Here's the thing though, if you need clarity and a modern touch, the clear lens option is very appealing and worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional upgrade. Skip this one if you're specifically after maximum brightness. For the price, you're getting a high-quality product that looks great. In conclusion, we've seen a range of options from high-performance to budget-friendly. Whether you're looking for style, brightness, or ease of installation, there's something for everyone among these tail lights. To wrap it all up, we have the unique AUDEXCN C-shaped tail lights, X-Bright's stylish 4D design, LX-Light Super Bright option, X-Bright's budget-friendly choice, and finally the sleek AUDEXCN clear lens. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but all of them will definitely enhance your Jeep Wrangler's look and safety. Choose the one that fits your needs best.